Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great out there and welcome to Hamal's kitchen. Today I'm making quick and easy spicy aloo dum using few spices. There are different ways to make aloo dum, but today I'm going to show you how I make my aloo dum. Let's start the cooking process. Heat the oil and pan. Add cumin seed once it starts to splutter. Then add good amount of dried red chili. I know it's a lot of chili, but add chili according to spice you can handle it. Fry for a few seconds. And add crushed garlic. Fry it for a few seconds, but do not burn the chili and garlic. Oh, it's already started, it smells heavenly. Now quickly add in turmeric powder, chili powder, mix it well. Now I'm adding potato which I boiled earlier, and I didn't show the process of boiling to shorten this video. Add some salt to taste, mix it well and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring in between so it does not stick on the bottom of the pan. Also add some Sichuan pepper, which is Timur. It helps to boost the flavor of the dish. However, this is optional. Add some green onion. Mix it well. With this, our quick and easy spicy aloo dum is ready. Isn't it really easy to make? Please leave a comment for the next recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.